I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your password on TikTok's web version is pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TikTok website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile settings, look for the Manage Account option. Click on it to access more account-related settings, including password changes. Step 4. Select Change Password. Within the account settings, find and click on the Change Password option. You will be prompted to enter your current password and the new password you wish to set. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you forget your current password, you will need to reset it via email or phone verification before you can change it. Good luck with your TikTok adventures, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.